Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel. You know, we would love to be outside cooking today or up in the mountains. It's summertime here in Wyoming and it is very, very dry. They have fire restrictions, absolutely no fires outside, no matter what you're doing. Anyway, so guess what we're going to be doing? We're going to continue on with our videos this summer and hopefully maybe it snows and helps dry with this dry spell. Wouldn't that be great if it snowed? But no, we're not ready for that. But what we're doing today is creamy chicken chipotle, and I'm going to be cooking it in this Dutch oven. And this is a very, very old Dutch oven. It came from my folks' ranch up by Glacier Park in Montana, and I've used it a lot, and it is very well seasoned. And the first thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to be browning some boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've already sliced. We're going to brown those in a couple tablespoons of olive oil. And then I'm going to be adding one medium onion that I've chopped. And we're going to brown that really well. And then I'm going to be adding a lot of other ingredients, and boy, is this good. And we're going to let it simmer on my stove for probably 45 minutes to an hour. And this is a perfect opportunity for all of you that don't have the opportunity to cook outside and you don't want to. You can do whatever you do outside in the Dutch oven. You can also do it in your home. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. Okay, my oil is nice and hot in my Dutch oven here. I'm going to go ahead and start sauteing my chicken breasts. After the chicken gets brown, then I'll add my onions. You know, when my chicken is browning, I'm going to go ahead and put together the rest of the sauce here, and I'll be telling you what I'll be doing. The first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to, you can either use home canned salsa or bought salsa. Of course, I'm proud to say that this is my home canned salsa. It's about 2 cups. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in this bowl. And the next ingredient is chipotle. And this is what I use as a canned chipotles. And I mean, a little goes a long ways. And all you need is 2 of them out of here. And then I just use the rest for something else. And I've gone ahead and taken that out and measured it. And I kind of chopped it. So I'm going to add that to this salsa. And it does have a kick. I made a mistake one time in making chili, and I thought I'd kick it up a bit, and I put a whole can in there. That was chili that we could not eat. My husband warned me, do not do that one again, and I don't. Okay, and then I'm going to put a teaspoon of chili powder. There we go. We hope you're enjoying this with us today. And of course, we would love it if you would subscribe and hit that like button. That would really be great. And every Tuesday, we put out a new video. And boy, we have a lot of wonderful, fun ones going on out there. And I'm going to stir this up together here. And what I just did there is I put in a half a cup of my homemade chicken stock. Broth, whatever you have there, and if you don't want to make your own, you can always buy it. And then we're going to put in a half of a cup of sour cream. And if you want to watch your calories, you can do the low-fat sour cream, which I do that, just to make things a little bit healthier. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just mix this all together here. And you can serve this over rice, which we're going to put this over rice today, or you can put it over pasta, whatever you like to do. We just kind of like rice, especially the wild rice flan. Okay, and then for this, I'm going to let this sit here, and I'm going to go over and check on my chicken. Okay, my chicken is browned nicely, so I'm going to go ahead and add my onions. You know, I want to tell you you about this wonderful rice blend that we love to use. And you can buy this at Sam's Club or Costco, and it is wonderful. It's a wonderful, nice rice blend. It's got 3 different kinds of rices in it, and we love to cook it in this rice maker. I don't know if any of you people have been introduced to these, but my mom got me this years ago, and boy, does it work great. Or you can cook it however you want to cook it, but this is really handy, I'll tell you. Okay, it's time to add our sauce. Our chicken and onions are browned nicely and caramelized. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on over here. Boy, does this smell yummy. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to put the lid on this and let it cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. You don't have to let it cook real long, but you want these flavors to kind of blend together here. Yeah, boy, if you could have smell-o-vision, oh my goodness, is this going to be good. It'll make such a nice, wonderful sauce. Okay, there we go. Does this look wonderful or what? Oh my goodness. Of course, we served it on our rice that I told you about. We cooked it in our rice maker. We had some wonderful fresh broccoli that we steamed, and that's going to go along with it. And of course, a fine glass of white wine. I also wanted to tell you about our website. It's Wyoming-ovencooking.com. If you go to that website, we have a wonderful user's guide, tips and cares on how to take care of cast iron, and a free recipe book. And we also have a lot of the wonderful spices and cookware and things we love to use. So we hope that you go to that, because that is a great thing to go to. And of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. And it is the 4th of July, and of course our family can't make it with us today. And I have this beautiful placemat that my beautiful daughter made for me that is a flag, and we're going to have a wonderful time. We just miss our family today. Until we meet again, thank you.